Eli, why are you crying? Are you crying because you want a guayabita? Yeah? Here. Eli, this is a guayabita. It's from your cousins, Nati and Monica and Gabby and your uncle and your aunt. You ready to try one? Okay. Can you open it? Do you need help? No, Luther. Get back. Okay, let's see if Mommy can open it with one hand. Okay, here you go. Take a bite. It's made out of chocolate and guayaba. Eat it. Eat it. Go ahead. You gonna throw that away in the trash can? Okay, come on. Eat your guayabita. Come here, buddy. Did you eat it? Put it in your mouth. Is it good? Can you say thank you to your cousins?
Thank you.
Hey, Eli, can you say gracias? Okay, bye-bye.